Our cities are growing, and so is their thirst for water. With rising populations and a changing climate, water scarcity is becoming a critical challenge. But what if the solution was right above our heads? Look around at the vast expanse of urban rooftops. During a storm, these surfaces become a massive, untapped reservoir. Every drop of rain that falls on a city rooftop holds incredible potential. By capturing this rainwater, we can transform a simple downpour from a potential flood risk into a vital, sustainable resource, securing our water future one rooftop at a time. So, how does it actually work? The basics of rooftop rainwater harvesting are surprisingly simple, yet highly effective. It starts with gutters, which act as channels, directing the flow of rainwater from the roof. This water then travels down through pipes, but before it reaches the storage tank, it passes through a first flush diverter. This clever device is crucial because it discards the initial flow of water, which typically contains debris, dust, and other pollutants from the roof surface. Once this first flush is out of the way, the cleaner water is directed into storage tanks. These tanks can be anything from a small barrel for a single home to a large, community-sized reservoir. The key to a successful system is smart design ensuring. Every component works together to maximize collection and minimize water loss. Of course, not all roofs are created equal when it comes to collecting rainwater. The material of your roof plays a huge role in both the quality of the water and the efficiency of the collection process. The best materials are non-toxic surfaces like metal, concrete, or tile, which prevent harmful chemicals from leaching into the water. Smooth materials are also ideal because they allow water to flow quickly and freely, increasing the amount you can collect. The shape of the roof matters too. Flat roofs offer large surface areas perfect for capturing significant amounts of rain, while sloped roofs have the natural advantage of gravity, which helps guide the water directly into the collection system. Choosing the right roof material and design is a fundamental step in building a safe and efficient rainwater harvesting system. Once you've collected the water, storing it effectively is the next critical step. Proper storage ensures the water remains clean and available when you need it most. Storage tanks should always be sealed to protect against contamination from insects, animals, and airborne pollutants. In dense urban environments where space is limited, modular tank designs are a fantastic solution, allowing for easy expansion as needs grow. Another innovative approach is using underground cisterns or reservoirs. These systems make use of otherwise wasted space beneath buildings or parks, and they have the added benefit of keeping the water cool, which helps prevent the growth of algae. A well-designed storage system is the heart of rainwater harvesting, preserving the quality and ensuring the availability of this precious resource. But urban rainwater capture is about more than just storing water. It's about integrating it into the very fabric of our cities to create multifunctional, resilient systems. Imagine rooftops that are not just for collection, but are also vibrant green spaces. The captured rainwater can be used for irrigating these rooftop gardens and urban parks, creating lush oases in the concrete jungle. This collected water is also perfect for supplementing non-potable needs like flushing toilets or cleaning streets, which significantly reduces the strain on our municipal water supplies. A huge benefit is that by capturing rainwater where it falls, we dramatically reduce stormwater runoff. This helps prevent urban flooding, which is a growing problem in many cities. Through thoughtful integration, rainwater harvesting systems become powerful tools for building more sustainable and livable urban ecosystems. To ensure these systems work effectively over the long term, monitoring and maintenance are absolutely essential. Think of it as a health checkup for your water system. Regular cleaning of gutters and tanks is crucial to prevent the buildup of debris and algae, which can compromise water quality. Modern systems are increasingly equipped with smart technology. IoT sensors can be installed in tanks to monitor water levels and quality in real time. You can even set up automated alerts that notify you when it's time to clean a filter or when a tank is full, helping to optimize harvesting and distribution. This proactive approach to maintenance doesn't just guarantee the safety and purity of the water. It also ensures the entire system runs at peak efficiency for years to come. Looking for proof that this works on a large scale? We only need to look at pioneering cities around the world. Singapore is a shining example. This island nation has turned urban rainwater harvesting into an art form, capturing rain from nearly every building and integrating it into its national reservoir system. In Tokyo, rooftop systems are widely used not just to reduce the demand for municipal water, but also as a key strategy to mitigate urban flooding. And in many cities across India, community tanks on rooftops are a lifeline, providing a reliable source of water for neighborhoods, especially during the long dry seasons. These case studies prove that urban rainwater capture isn't just a futuristic idea. It's a practical, scalable, and effective solution that is already making a difference in cities today. So, what does the future hold for urban rainwater capture? It's incredibly exciting. We're moving towards fully integrated smart city networks. Imagine a city where every rooftop is connected to an intelligent grid. This network will use IoT devices for real-time monitoring and optimization of water collection and distribution. Rooftop systems will be linked to smart reservoirs and the municipal water grid, creating a seamless and resilient water management system. We'll use predictive analytics, powered by AI, to forecast storms and dry spells. This will allow the system to automatically maximize water collection during heavy rainfall and conserve it during droughts. Cities that embrace this vision won't just be smarter, they'll be more resilient and completely water secure. Urban rainwater capture is a powerful transformation. It turns every rooftop from a passive structure into a vital resource. It's a key step in building the smarter, greener, and more sustainable cities of tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into our water future.